Hey y'all. Okay, so y'all are spoiled. So I'm doing a twist out for y'all. I know I told y'all to go look at my previous video for the twist out, but I hope y'all still looked at that one because it comes out different every time. So I believe these are well, what I was gonna say was I believe I had them in for like 1 to 2 weeks. I think it's going on 2 weeks, if not three. No, 2 weeks. So this is the twist from the 2-strand twist video I just did. So if y'all didn't see that video, please go check it out. So I'm just going to get right into it. Let's see if I have to, I'll probably have to speed some of it up. But you always want to start at the very end and just start fingering it out. You can do it, start fingering it out after you take all of them out, or just do it one by one. I'm doing it one by one. I don't think it's going to come out as crinkly as it was the last time, because the last time I had it in for a month. So, okay. And just make sure you don't forget any. Some of them was unraveling, like one unraveled last night, so that one definitely probably not going to be as crinkly. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely not as crinkly as it was before, but I probably would slap a headband on it and keep it moving. Y'all, I'm preparing for a haul. All this stuff here. I hope y'all really can't see it. Y'all getting a little sneak peek. Leave in the comments if y'all can guess what haul it's going to be. What brand, rather. Because I'm not telling. Some of them already, like, I don't know. It's not going to be as crinkly as, at all. Someone asked in my previous video in the twist out in the comments what I use for moisture, to moisturize my hair. So I told her what I use. I basically use this. I just started using this though, but it works good. It's the Jamaican castor oil hair growth. I did have it in the other video. She probably didn't see it. And you just drop it. Put droplets. I'm gonna put some in my hair after I finish the twist out. And I also use just regular hair grease. What is it called? Blue Magic, the old school hair grease. I still use that. I use the olive oil by Palmer's hair grease, Super Grow. That works really good for my hair. I'm really not picky. Like a lot of my friends, people think since I have long hair and thick, healthy hair, that I use all these extravagant products, but I don't. I really don't. So when they come over and they don't see like certain products or that I have a lot of products or certain scarves and stuff, they're like shocked. They think that they're going to come over and put on a scarf and their hair going to be like mine. But I really don't use a lot. I just got this from the Sephora haul. I just got it from Sephora, if y'all saw that haul. I didn't use this yet, but it's the hemp oil. Yeah. Hemp purifying oil. This is for face, body, and hair. For some reason, I don't like stuff that's for face, body, and hair because I think they just being extra. And then I did use a little bit of this hair oil too from Sephora by Quai, 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 whatever. But yeah, I just make sure my hair moisturized. I always put water in it for hydration because I know my hair devours water. My hair loves water. You want to keep it hydrated and moisturized. And this stuff right here, they moisturize your hair too. The smoothie, Shea Moisture Smoothie, and the leave-in strengthening conditioner. Is this the one with apple cider vinegar? Yeah. So, yep, I got apple cider vinegar in it. Let me see, did I grab all? Nope, I still have like three in there. It's not as curly, but it will do. It will do. It's not like I'm going anywhere, so. Now, if I want it extra curly, I just leave it in longer. Or say if I want this extra curly, I can add some of my product, the curl enhancer, and I can use some water, and it'll get curled, but it's not going to be as long. The length is going to shrink. So my whole point of this hairstyle is to retain length. But if I don't care about retaining my length, I'll just put some water in my enhancing curly stuff, Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and keep it moving. But it's all about the length right now for me. Even though I never have a lot of shrinkage, thank God, because I be feeling sorry for people when it shrinks so much. Like, the shrinkage be real. Their hair, it look like it's so short, but when they pull it, it be all the way down here. So, yeah. I know some people be mad about their shrinkage, but my shrinkage, I dropped my brush. I never have a lot of shrinkage. It's all about your hair texture. And I think I'm going to put a part on the side this time, a side part. Just part it and keep it moving. Might not even need to put a headband on. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. And then you just want to jizz it up. Tease it out. The more twist you put, the curlier it would be. Just to let y'all know. See, look at all that length. If I would have did it the other way with the smoothie enhancer, the curl stuff, and all that stuff, and a lot of water, I didn't put any water. It's very greasy though. My hair is very moisturized. Because while it was twist, of course I kept on moisturizing it. You want to make sure you keep your hair moisturized. I don't care how long you keep the twist, and make sure your hair is moisturized. I guess I probably didn't stress that enough in the previous video, but my hair, I make sure it's moisturized. So shout out to whoever asked that question. I can't remember her name, but I did respond to her. So if you're watching this video, hey girl. Okay, so yeah, that's the length. So when y'all see this length and my hair like this, y'all will know what haul I'm about to do. When I'm in the mood to film, I gotta get it out because I've been slacking. I've been just like not in the mood. And when you're not in the mood, you just don't want to do it because your energy just gonna be off. It's times that I wasn't in the mood and I still did it, but no one said anything. But y'all know my energy is bubbly, so y'all probably would notice. But ooh, I like it. This is how the back looks. Let me know if I missed any. And you just want to keep on poofing it out so you can't see any parts or anything. And just keep on teasing it, fingering it, teasing it, however you see fit. How much poof you want. I like my hair really poofy. I love big hair. So, yeah. So there you have it, y'all. There you have it. That's how it looks. Look at me swinging it and all that. I thought it just poofed it up. But anywho, if y'all like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video to someone you guys can see, I did another twist out hair tutorial. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.